What's up, everyone? So today I'm going to introduce you guys to a new product from our friends at Titan 7. While this lug nut may look familiar to you guys, this is a new product because it's a different material. So they do have this lug nut produced in titanium, but today I'm going to talk to you about this one. This one is made out of a 4130 chromoly steel material, which means it's a lot less expensive. Now, their lug nuts do carry a patented design. While it does look like it requires a special key due to this spline appearance, it does not. It actually takes a standard hex socket. So look at this. So I've shipped several of these out, and without fail, every client has messaged me saying, "Hey Rishi, I didn't get a key with my lug nuts." I'm like, it doesn't need one. So if you are a wheel shop or an end user that has purchased these or is installing them, you don't need a key. The 14 millimeter, the M14s, the 14 by 1.5s, for example, or 14 by 1.25s take a 19 millimeter hex. The M12s will take a 17 millimeter hex. OWL is what they call them, means obsessed with lightness. I will share the weights of these lug nuts in the description below, along with links to our website for purchasing them from us. We would love your support. I actually have these on my Rivian already, and one of the first things I asked the Titan 7 guys was if I can torque these lug nuts to my factory torque specs for the Rivian and the Tesla. As you guys may or may not know, Rivian's pretty up there. It's like in the 140 range, if not 140 to be exact, and Tesla's in the 129 foot-pounds. And they said, yes, without a doubt, you can do that. So I said, great, because I've had other issues in the past where these other steel lug nuts we've had, which are highly regarded, they publish it on their box not to torque past like 90 to 100 foot-pounds. So I was really happy that Titan 7 has tested these lug nuts far beyond that, has approved it, will not say don't do that, will not give you any problems if you do go up to your factory torque specs on Tesla or Rivian. One of my favorite things about this lug nut when we put them on the Rivian, as well as one of my Teslas, is how smoothly these things thread onto the studs. There's no painted finish on the threads. You'll see a lot of lesser expensive lug nuts. They're actually painted on the inside. That can oftentimes give you kind of not as smooth, threading experience as these would have. So that's one of the big things that you'll love about these. I do love that they're steel, they're 4130 chromoly, so they'll stand the test of time at the track. I am not a fan of aluminum lug nuts. All of us use steel lug nuts at the track because we just don't have to worry about them. So without further ado, I'm gonna share the links below. We're going to put a link up here to our website for you guys to purchase. We're going to put links in the description below. We appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Check out our Patreon account, patreon.com/ZevCentric. It's $5 a month. It's basically pennies, just to show your love for us. Donate, support us. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next one.